Hey art friends! My name is Elise and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be crocheting a ton of things and I'm going to be working on a couple of my projects that I've still been working on. So first of all, I'm working on this crochet bee, and this is the same pattern that I used a while ago for this bee, and it actually is with the same yarn. This is Cuddlecraft Velvet from Michaels, and I really like this yarn. I just finished making the body of the bee, and now I need to make the two wings. So I just finished our bee, and here's what it looks like. I think I put the eyes a little bit more far apart than the last one, but I still think it's super cute. I just finished this crochet blanket and I used Premier Bloom Chunky Big yarn in the color Bluebell for this blanket, and I really like the stitch I used for this. I used the treble crochet stitch and I really liked making this. So I'm currently making this bag, and this is going to be a glasses case, so let's finish it together. So here's what it's looking like. I added this cute little strap, and then there's the pocket where the glasses go, and this is the yarn Loops and Threads Facets in this gray variegated color, and I really like the fading in this because it goes from like dark gray and it goes all the way to this white color, but it goes back to the dark gray, and I think it's really cool. So here's what the yarn looks like, but after using it for a little while, this yarn comes off of each other and it gets super tangled and it's just like all out. So let's turn this into a yarn ball. So I just finished the bag and here's what it looks like, and I really like the ombre right here, but I also added some Velcro here so it stays shut, and then here is the glasses case. I really like how this turned out. So reading is another one of my favorite hobbies. So right now I'm reading Scarlet by Marissa Mayer, but this is the second book in the Lunar Chronicles series. This book, Cinder, is the first book in the series and I really enjoyed it, so I definitely recommend checking it out. So I now have two of these bags and I just finished this one, and I also added the Velcro on this, and I actually added some pieces of cardboard in these so that they would keep their shape a little better until people start using them. I also made this little bag because I wanted to use this yarn again but had no idea what to make. So I want to use up some of the colors I don't use as often, so I'm going to be making this Campfire pattern and I'm super excited to try it. This is a free pattern by Vercadia. I hope I'm saying that right, but let's get started. So I'm using tangerine, cocoa, and almond butter in Parfait Chunky with a 4.5mm hook for this pattern. So here's what I have so far, and I'm really liking how it's turning out. So I just finished our campfire logs, and I thought it was super cool how the designer of this pattern wrote the assembly to put all of these pieces together. So now let's attach it to the fire. So I finished the campfire, and here's how it turned out. I love him so much. I really like the little campfire logs at the bottom because I think they look super realistic and really cool. Also, the shape of the fire that the designer made is really cool. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!